Hi, good afternoon dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics Teacher from SVEM School, Harginamara Camp. Dear students, this is part 4 video for the 6th standard 3rd chapter, that is playing with numbers. Dear children, already we have discussed some properties of these numbers. Yes, those are factors of numbers and multiples of numbers. These two contents we have did. In our today class, we have to check whether the given statements are true or false. Yes, see my first one is the sum of first two even numbers. Dear children, you know that very well. Even number set that begins with 2. Yes, first two even numbers. Solution for this question is first two even numbers, those are 2, 4. A sum of two numbers. The sum of first two numbers. First two numbers, even numbers, that is 2 and 4. Sum 2 plus 4, that equal to 6. Then take one more 3 digits for the even number. Suppose 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 10. Take example, suppose, yes, that is 4 plus 10, that is 14. Dear children, see all these examples, sum of any two even numbers is always even. We conclude that sum of any two even numbers is even. Then example 2, dear children, the sum of first two odd numbers, yes, odd number set that begins with 1, and 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, continuously it will be going on until to infinity. Yes, sum of first two odd numbers. First two odd numbers means 1, 2. Yes, 1 plus 3, that equal to 4. Then then take next two digits. Yes, 5 and 7. 5 plus 7, that equal to 12. Then take next two terms. 7 plus 9, that equal to 16. Then take one more term. 9 plus 11. Yes, 9 plus 11, that equal to 20. Yes, see dear children, these examples carefully see. Sum of any two odd numbers is their sum is even. Sum of any two odd numbers, their sum is even. Yes, with this, then a few more examples we have to solve. Yes, I think first and second example you did understand. Let us, I will go for the next example 3. Yes. Example 3, dear children. Example 3. Find the sum of Find the sum of first two prime numbers. First two prime numbers. We know that prime number set that begins with 2. Yes, prime number set that begins with 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, then 17, then 19, continuously it will be going on until infinity. Dear children, they are asking you, find the sum of first two prime numbers. First two prime numbers means we should take 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, that equals to 5. Then let us take one more terms. Find 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, that is 8. Then next more terms you have to take here. 5 plus 7. Yes, 5 plus 7, that equals to 12. Yes, with this we can conclude that dear, sum of any two prime numbers is not always even. In some cases maybe it will be applicable, not for all numbers. Let us example 4, dear children. Example 4. Find the difference. Find the difference of first two prime numbers. Dear children, you should remember, difference means we should subtract the small number from big number. Difference, that is, here find the difference of first two. Yes, find the difference of two prime numbers. Yes, especially I could write here first two. Take example. Yes, here prime numbers are available. 3 minus 2, that equal to 1. Then 5 minus 3, that equal to 2. Then take next 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, that equal to 2. Then take next 11 minus 7, that equal to 4. Yes, with this we conclude that the difference of any two prime numbers is not constant. I mean, the difference neither be even nor be prime. Not it is always, and especially point it, the difference of any two prime numbers is not always either even, either odd. Okay, a few more examples, dear children, I want to solve. Let us see. Product. Then the last question number 5, that is, find the product of first four even numbers. Dear children, you know that even numbers. Find the product of first 4 even numbers. Even numbers we know that very well. Even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the first four even numbers. Then dear children, we want to take product. Yes, product means just make it add a yes, multiply. Product of even numbers, that equal to yes 2 into 4 into 6 into 8. 2 4s are 6, 6 6 are 36, 36 8s are 36, 8s are yes 8 6 are 48, 4 as carry for next number. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4 28, dear children. That is product of first 4 even numbers is 288. Yes, like this in our next class, especially regarding to this exercise problems. Continuously they can give like this problem, dear children. I will give that remaining all problems in notes, especially we have to see in your groups. Thanking well, bye dears.